Anyone who has a dishwasher has had this happen to them. You come into the kitchen, you're ready to cook, and then you see a mess from everything that was cooked before you. There's a backlog because it hasn't made it into the dishwasher. Even if you just want to come fill up your water bottle, the sink is full of nasty stuff, and you think, I have a dishwasher, why is this happening? The best solution that I have found is to have a routine so that every night somebody, it doesn't have to be you, loads up the dishwasher and runs it. And every morning when you're waiting for your coffee to brew, you unload the dishwasher and then you're left with an empty dishwasher all day. It's gonna solve the backlog problem just like that. Another tip for you is to keep a spatula in the same place in the dishwasher all the time. And that way they can scrape off their dishes before they put them in the dishwasher instead of pre-washing, which wastes a lot more water than you need to waste. Make unloading your dishwasher easier and make it go faster by keeping the most commonly washed things right by the dishwasher. Another one of the bulkiest things, takes up the most space on a lot of kitchen counters, is the dish rack. I have a tip for you if you have two sinks. Take your dish rack and put it in one side of your sink. This is going to free up so much counter space you're not going to know what to do with yourself. I think that if you incorporate the routine of doing the dishwasher at the same time every day, it will really help you eliminate the dirty dish pileup that's happening in your kitchen and give you more room to enjoy your countertops.